Okay. So today we will talk about elapsed time. Do you remember what do we mean by elapsed time?
Yes.
What is that, Marine?
Miss, it's the time that you take.
To do anything, yes. The time that you
Yes.
spend to watch a movie, the time that you spend in solving homework. Yes, so the duration of time is called elapsed time. So here, let's just remember together how to change measurements. So if you have 3 hours, how do you write the 3 hours into minutes? Good. You can raise your hand to answer that. Yes, Eunice. Eunice, you can unmute yourself.
1 hour 18 minutes.
180.
How do you change?
180 minutes.
Yes, excellent. What did you do to change it?
We minus it with 60. We divide it يعني 60 divide by 6 times by 3.
Times, yes. So we multiply it by 60. So 6 times 3 is 18. And then we put our zeros out. So 180 minutes. Yes. So look at this. 780 minutes. We need to write it in hours and minutes. We need to know how many hours and minutes in that one. Yalla Maria.
Miss 780 or 78?
78.
Okay. 78 بدنا اياها للاور صح؟ اوكي.
Hours and what's
بنعملها
left for
70.
minutes?
Okay. 78 divided by 60.
How many
Okay.
60s are in the 78?
1.
1. So we have 1 hour. How much left?
18 minutes.
18 minutes. Yes, excellent. So see, we can do it mentally. Sometimes you need for pencil and paper. So in the 70 minutes, we have part for minutes, the 60 minutes, which is 1 hour, and 18 minutes left. So it's actually 1 hour and 18 minutes. Thank you, Maureen. Yalla, let's start our lesson. How can you find how much time passes between two events? That's what we call elapsed time. It's like when you watch a movie, so you know that you start watching the movie at a specific time, like for example at 1, and you finish watching the movie at 3. The elapsed time, you take away the ending time, which is 3 o'clock, minus the time that you started watching the movie, which is 1. That's going to be 2 hours for watching the movie. So this is elapsed time. So first of all, we have, look, the ending time minus the starting time, as I told you. We have 8 hours and 30 minutes. This is a given. It's given. Where did we get it from? It's given. You finished doing something 8 and 35 minutes. The time that you started doing that thing is at 4 with 21 minutes. To find the elapsed time, you all the time subtract the ending time minus starting time. And remember, Diamond, when you start subtracting the hours, not the minutes. Okay? So sometimes you can do the same thing, like here, 35 minus 20, 5 minus 0, 5, 3 minus 2 is 1, so 15 minutes left. 8 minus 4 is 4 hours, so this is the elapsed time. This is another example.
Teacher,
here.
I can't see the screen.
Who's that?
Teacher, now I see.
Okay. So let's look at this one. I told you that you start subtracting the hours. No, actually, you should start with the minutes first. When you subtract or when you need to find the elapsed time, you better start with minutes. Okay? Yalla, who's gonna start doing? Leen, Hijazi. Yalla, Leen, tell me.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, Leen.
No, teacher, I am Lean.
Yeah.
Hi.
مين هلا حكى؟
Maha, don't talk, please. Yalla, Lin.
I just want to say hi.
Hi, but we are in the middle of the class. Yalla, Lin.
Hi.
What do we start subtracting by? We're gonna find the elapsed time here.
Elapsed time.
Yeah.
At which one? End time or start time?
Elapsed time, Lin, is by using both of them. See what's written?
Okay.
The elapsed time equals the ending time minus the starting time.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you start subtracting first? Hours or minutes?
Hours. Minutes.
Minutes, yes. Okay. So 18 minutes minus 20 minutes. Can we take 20 from
No.
18? What do we
No.
do in this case? Do you remember?
We minus 1 from the 9 hour. We minus 1 hour from the 9.
We take away an hour from the 9 hours. So the 9
Yes.
hours will be
8.
8 hours. So we take an hour. When we take an hour, what do we give to the minutes?
60 minutes.
Excellent, Leon. So the 18, so see, 18
78.
minutes less than 20 minutes. So we can't subtract. So we need to change that. We take 1 hour from the 9, so it's 8 hours. And we need to give it to minutes. When you give hours to minutes, you don't give 1, you give 60 minutes. So that's
60.
gonna be
78.
78, excellent. Now we can subtract easily. We can subtract 78 minus 20. What is that?
58 minutes.
58 minutes. This is it.
1 hour and 58 minutes.
1 hour and 58 minutes. Excellent. 8 minus 7 is 1. 78 minus 20 is 58. Excellent, Lean. So be careful. You start with the minutes first. So let's go to another example. Look, they tell you in this example that the starting time is at 1:45 p.m. The ending time is 3:30 p.m. We're not gonna use the subtraction way here. We're gonna use the number line way. So look how we do that. You put your starting time first thing and count with 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Add 15 minutes every time. 1:45 is 2. 1:45 plus 15 is 2. Okay? Now, the ending time is 3:30. So we need to reach the 3. So from 2 to 3, how much is that? 1 hour. So we had 15 minutes. Guys, focus on this very well. We had 15 minutes from 1:45 p.m. to 2 p.m. Diamond, we need to reach the head of the clock, like 2, 3, 4. So 1:45 to 2, we add 15 minutes. Now,
Teacher, I have
2
a
to 3.
question. Teacher, your
Wait,
voice is so
Salma.
lagging.
Is it for everyone or just Salma? The girls, the other girls, can you hear me
No.
very well?
No,
I
your
can't
voice
hear
is
your
not
voice
like.
so good.
Clear. Yes, teacher, we
We
can
hear
hear
you
you
guys.
very well.
Okay, maybe there is a connection problem with you, Salma, maybe.
No, I can hear you well.
And
Okay.
me too, teacher.
Teacher, no, I can hear you very,
لا
very,
يمكن
very well.
فرح هاي فرح.
I don't know. خلاص, whoever, let's us continue. So 2 to 3 is 1 hour. Now, do we need to go from 3 to 4? Look at the ending time. Did we reach 4 o'clock?
No.
No, so we don't need it. We just reach 3:30. So from
30 minutes.
Yes, excellent. From 3 to 3:30 is 30 minutes. So look at our arrows. How many hours do we have on the arrows? 1 hour. And the minutes, there are 15 minutes and 30 minutes. So all the minutes together,
45.
45 minutes. So the elapsed time is 1 hour, and 15 with 30
minutes.
is 45 minutes. So this is how you do it by using number line or scale. But what?
Teacher, shall
Yeah.
we only just like hop by 15 minutes, or first of all we start by 15 minutes, 1 hour and 30?
No, it depends. It depends on what you have. يعني if
How
the
do
start,
we know?
look, if the starting time Salma was 1:30. From 1:30 to 2, how many minutes are there?
30 minutes.
30 minutes. So the point is to count how many minutes you need until to reach the head.
To complete 1 hour.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Teacher, I don't understand the subtracting.
طيب, look, pay attention to this one. Muhammad, but then we will go to, we will do a lot of examples, Muhammad. Here we are still on the number line. Type, who can work me on this one? Mu'in, I'm gonna lower your hand because you answered. Muhammad, Mayman. Oops, Muhammad, I unmuted you. Yes, Muhammad. Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Muhammad, we need to find the elapsed time by using the number line. The starting time is 11 a.m. Okay. The ending time is 1 to 9 p.m. So what do we start with on the number line? The starting time, which is what?
11 a.m.
This is it. What do we skip counting by here? Look, 11, we need to reach the head hour. 11, then, what do you think?
Half an hour.
What?
30 minutes.
No, we just need to skip by whole hours here. It's already 11. We need to reach 1. We need to reach 1. So 11 to 12. Then 12 to. Hamad, are you with me?
Yes, teacher. Here.
Yeah, tell me.
From 12 to 1.
Excellent. 12 to 1. That's another hour. Now, after 1, look at the ending time. You have to keep your eye on the ending time.
1 to 9.
1 to only 9 minutes. We just need from 1 to 9 minutes. So, Muhammad, how many hours we
9
need?
minutes. 2 hours, 9 minutes.
2 hours and 9
minutes.
Yes, an hour and 9 minutes. So 2 hours and 9 minutes. Thank you, Muhammad. Now look at these questions. We have different types of questions here. We have the starting time. Okay, the starting time here is 6 and 12 p.m. And they tell you that, let's say that this is like
Elapsed time is 4.
Wait, let's say, what do you think is that, Evan? Like maybe going to the gym. You went to the gym at 12 p.m. You spend at the gym 4 hours and 20 minutes. What is the ending time? In this case, to find the ending time, you add. Guys, I'm gonna mute you all. It's really confusing. كثير في ناس هيك عم بتطلع أصوات يلا, raise your hands. يلا, let's work that with you, Salman Soor.
Okay, teacher, so we're gonna start by adding the start time plus the elapsed time. So I have a paper, I'm just gonna work it out.
Yeah.
So
I'm just gonna show the step here. We put them exactly under each other.
Under each other. We put the start time first, and then after that we're gonna put the elapsed time. So 12 plus 20.
Amira, your answer is wrong. Yes, Salma. Continue.
So 12 plus 20.
Yeah.
It is 32.
32
minutes.
Minutes, yes. And the hours.
And it is 6 plus 4 equals 10.
Yes,
10
now
hours.
It's right, Amira. Yes, excellent. The ending time
So
is
the
10
end time
hours.
is 10 hours and 32 minutes.
Excellent, Salma. This is it. 10 hours. The minutes. Why it's 42? It's supposed to be 32.
Yeah.
And let me just fix it. It's 32 here. This is the correct ending time. So you went home after at 10:32. That's a lot of time. Okay. Thank you, Salma. Let's go to another example. So again, when you need to find the elapsed time, you subtract ending minus start. But if you want to find the ending time, for example, you add the starting time plus the elapsed. Now look, here they give you the ending time. You finished doing something at 3:05 a.m. يعني at night, in the middle of the night, while everyone's sleeping. And they tell you that the elapsed time of the thing that you did is 1 hour 28 minutes. When did you start? What is the starting time? In this case, you also subtract. So the only way that you add is only when you want to find the ending time. But if you want to find the starting time, if you want to find the elapsed time, you subtract. Okay? So here, yellow, we are going to subtract the ending time minus elapsed time. Let me see. There is Rama. Yes, Rama. Rama, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Yalla, Rama. Rama.
Yes, where's the question, teacher?
Where is it?
The start time, so, and in time 3.
We subtract the ending time. What is the ending time here? It's 3:05 a.m. and the elapsed time is 1 hour 28 minutes. We're gonna subtract them. What do we start subtracting? The hours or the minutes, Rama?
The minute first.
The minutes first. Excellent. So how do you subtract 5 minus 28?
Uh,
Can you take away 28 from 5?
no,
So what do we do in this case when we can't subtract the minutes?
we will divide it.
No. هلا in subtraction, when you can't subtract a number, what do? We borrow, right?
Yes, we will take from 3.
From 3. How much we take from 3 hours?
Half of minute.
No way. We can't take half a minute from a whole hour. You either take a whole hour or nothing.
Whole hour.
Whole hour. So look, the line is in the wrong place, but anyway, take 1 hour from the 3 hours, 2 hours left. Type, we took Rama a whole hour. How many minutes we give to the 5 minutes?
Hour and 5 minutes.
Type, the hour, we can't say it as an hour. It's in minutes. How many minutes are in the hours?
So 65.
Excellent, yes. So we took an hour from the 3 hours, so we give it here 60 minutes. So 60 plus 5 is going to be 65 minutes. We can subtract now. What's 65 minus 28?
Wait.
Yeah, we're waiting.
So we will make 65.
65 minus 28 is
Wait, teacher, wait.
faster.
So 37.
Is 37.
7.
That's the minutes. And the hours, 2 hours minus 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour. So when did you, now what are we asking? We are asking the starting time. You started at
1:37
1:37 a.m. Of course, because you already finished in 3:05 a.m. So if you go back 1 hour 28 minutes, you are still in the a.m. duration. Excellent, Rama. Thank you. Right, let's go to other questions. Here, find each elapsed time. Okay, so here, يلا يا أمير.
Yes, teacher.
يلا أمير. The starting time is 1:25 p.m. The ending time is 3:16 p.m. What is the elapsed time? طبعا you can use the number line and you can use the subtraction as you like.
We subtract
Okay, يلا start.
16. 3 out of 6. 16. And from 1 hour and 25.
Okay, yes. So let's start with the minutes. طبعا the answer here is shown. We'll borrow from the 25. Sorry, from the 16 minutes. We will borrow from the 3 hours. How many hours do we borrow?
76.
The 16 plus 60 will be 76. Excellent. So 76 minus 25 minutes.
Um. 51.
51 minutes. And the hours, be careful. The 3 became 2. So 2 minus 1.
1.
1. So it's 1 hour, 51 minutes. That is correct.
51 minutes.
Yes, excellent. But if you use the number line, by the way, I prefer using the number line when you don't have a long duration. You started at 1:25. We need to make it as a head hour until 2. From 1:25 up to 2, we have 35 minutes. 2 to 3, there's an hour. But after 3, we have 16 minutes more. So 3 to 3:16 is 16 minutes. So in total, we have 1 hour and 35 minutes and 16 minutes, altogether 1 hour and 51 minutes. Excellent. Thank you, Amir. طيب, let's go to question 13. Dana الأخرس.
Yes, teacher.
Hi, Dana.
Hi.
Yeah, let's do question 13.
Okay. So we should find over here the elapsed time.
Yes. Of something started at 7:40 a.m., 45 a.m. to 10:23 a.m. So here, just to stick with the presentation's slideshow, they used subtraction. Ending time minus starting time. How do you subtract, Dana?
So I will write down 7:45 a.m.
Yeah.
Mine,
It's always ending first minus start.
yeah. So I will subtract 10 hours, 23 minutes.
Yes.
subtracted by 7 hours, 45 minutes. So over here, we can't subtract the minutes, 23.
Dana, we can't hear you, Dana.
$83. So it will be $9.83.
Yes, so after taking
And
an
then
hour.
now we can subtract it. So we can't subtract 3 minus 5, so we will take 1 from 8.
Yes.
So it will be 13.
This is the answer actually of subtracting.
It
Yes,
will be 13.
Yes.
So
13 minus 5.
13 minus 5 is 8.
Yes.
And then now I will subtract 7 minus 4.
Excellent.
Which is 3.
Yes. What about the hours?
And now 9 minus 7 is 2.
2.
So it's 2 hours, 38 minutes.
Yes, excellent, Dana. Thank you. Yeah, the last questions, and then since we don't have that much time, look, here we need to find either the starting time or the ending time. The starting time is 6:58 a.m. The elapsed time is 3 hours, 40 minutes. So what is needed to find is the ending time. To find the ending time, what do we do, Zaid?
We need to subtract.
We need to
Subtract?
find the ending time.
Yes.
We add.
Okay.
I told you, only when you want to find the ending time, you add. Because you need to find, when did you finish? You started at 6:58 a.m. and you spent 3 hours, 40 minutes. When did you finish? You're going to look forward. So
It will be 4 hours and 30 minutes.
how did you know? When you add the minutes, look, 58 minutes plus 40 minutes, it's going to be big, 98 minutes. 6 plus 3 is 9. Is there 98 minutes? What is the maximum number of minutes that we could have?
60 minutes.
60, or actually we don't see it as 60. Yani we see 59. When it's 60, that's going to be an extra hour. But when there is 98 minutes, we need to know how many hours are in the 98 minutes.
It will be 10 and 30.
Yes, excellent. So from the 98 minutes, there are 60 minutes and 38. That 1 extra hour of the 60 minutes from the 98, give it to 9. So it will be 10 and 38 minutes. Okay, that's enough for today. We can't do more questions because the class is over. So next time we will continue. We have to do more questions about elapsed time, ending time, and these things, and we will start with a different topic. If you have nothing, guys, you can leave. If you have questions, just stay, okay? And bye for the others. So let me see who is there. Naya, is there anything, Naya? Naya. Type, Lean, anything?
No.
Naya, anything?
Bye.
Hi, Naya.
No. Can I answer the next class?
Inshallah. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Sama, anything?
Yes, teacher. I want to know that when we subtract.
We subtract only when you want to find the starting time or the elapsed time. Okay?
Okay.
just when they tell you find
Okay.
the elapsed
Teacher, choose
time.
me.
Inshallah, I will choose. I will try my best. But there's a lot of students in our session. But I'm gonna try my best next time. طيب, Selma, anything?
Teacher, I wanted to tell you that bye and hope you have a nice day.
You too, honey. Thank you. Dan, anything?
بس لما قلتي خلاص روحوا رحت بعدين رجعت كمان مرة.
Okay. احنا هلا رح نروح. يلا. Thank you guys. See you inshallah. Tomorrow is off, by the way. Okay. Tomorrow is off. We don't have classes tomorrow. So it's going يعني رح نكمل next Sunday. إن شاء الله. يلا. See you next week. Enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.